hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech and these are the 5 reasons to buy the Redmi Note 5. I agree that Redmi Note 5 was a letdown in terms of performance as it has the same Snapdragon 625 processor seen in the Redmi Note 4. But that thing aside, it is still a pretty good phone for the price. So here are the reasons to buy the Redmi Note 5. First would be the display. Note 5 sports a 5.99-inch IPS display with Full HD Plus resolution in 18:9 aspect ratio, protected by a 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass. It also has rounded corners and the display feels very smooth. I don't know why, but this phone definitely feels more premium than other phones with 18:9 aspect ratio like the 9 Lite, 7X, Oppo F5 or the Vivo V7. Anyway, that's just my opinion. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the performance. Redmi Note 5 comes with a 2-year-old Snapdragon 625 processor, the same one we have seen in the Redmi Note 4. It is old, but it is powerful enough for a mid-range phone. It is good enough for normal users, and as it is made using 14nm architecture, it is very power efficient. It packs an Adreno 506 GPU, which is still pretty good for gaming and offers better gaming experience than on a 9 Lite or the 7X or even the current Moto phones, as this phone comes with a full view display. The next reason to buy this phone would be the battery life. This phone packs a huge 4000 mAh battery, which is more like a regular trend these days. But because of the power efficient processor and a bigger battery, you will have much better battery life. It can give you a screen on time of 8 to 10 hours on normal usage, and it can definitely last you an entire day no matter how you use it. The next reason to buy this phone would be the long-term updates. Xiaomi is known for providing long-term updates, and with each update, they bring in new UI changes and new features like reading mode, dual apps, long screenshots, and features like quick ball and the option to hide the navigation bar make the phone look more immersive. Now the final reason to buy this phone would be the complete package. Now this phone is a complete package for an average user who wants a well-balanced phone. It has a great display with the new 18:9 aspect ratio. It is also super slim, in fact the slimmest Redmi phone ever made. It has a powerful and power efficient processor which is great for gaming, and you get better battery life too. Cameras are decent. Base variant starts at 10,000 rupees and brings all these features at a very reasonable price. I think those were the primary reasons to buy the Redmi Note 5. Besides that, it also has other good things, like it has all the sensors including a super fast fingerprint scanner and IR blaster, lot of cool software features, bigger developer community and lot of support. It is also available in multiple colors to choose from, so you can pick the color that you like. When compared to the Honor 9 Lite, it lacks a little in terms of cameras, but in the rest of the departments, it is much better. So guys, what do you think? What is your reason to buy this phone? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you are planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.